Hello friends, welcome back to our new video training session. I am Akshay Medekar and you are watching my YouTube channel Akshay Medekar Blogs. In today's session we are going to learn how to create Pareto analysis or Pareto chart in Excel and how we can apply 80-20 rule after drawing an Pareto chart in Excel. So we'll see this content in this video. So before starting off this session, my humble request to all of you, if you are new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Akshay Medekar Blogs. So let's begin, guys. So Pareto chart. What is Pareto chart? It is a graph that shows all defects in descending order with cumulative percentage. So we'll not go in detail much in the description because we only are interested in this video how to create this chart. So it is one of the 7 quality control tools, and you can watch my video on 70 quality control tools to get more theoretical details, and with example you can have all 7 tools I described fully in this video. You can find the link in about link. So just have a watch. So it just gives apply to analyze the data by applying 80-20 principle. Okay, so we'll directly jump into the how we can create that graphs. Okay, so I already made one graphs showing how we can create that graphs in Excel. I will also show you the one by one procedure to create that graph. So before creating that graph, I'm just giving you detail what we can require to create that graphs. So we are required defects. So count of defects. So what defects, how much count we have for each and every defects. So defect one has 70 counts. So it repeats 70 times. So that we require. So it is defect till 7, and now that defects we have to convert in cumulative defects and cumulative percentage. So what is cumulative? If you can see an example of third, so it is 360. So it is a sum of the above 3 defects. So 70, 100 and 150 is become 360. So it is a cumulative, it is an addition of above 3 defects. If it is a 390, then it is a addition of above 3 defects, and then we need to convert this into the percentage. So defect 5 frequency, so number of counts is 150, so it is contributing to 37 or 30, approximately 38% of defects. Okay, so hope you understand, and this is the graph. So it's 80% and it's 20%. So we need to target these 3 defects to reduce our quality defects in the plants. Okay, so now I will show you how to create this graph in Excel. So for drawing this chart we need some raw data. What raw data we require? So we require this data. So no, defects and its count. So I'm just copying these defects and pasting here. Okay, so arranging the rows. Okay, so we have some raw data. So defects and defect counts. So I'm again copying this and pasting here. So why I paste here? So we need to arrange this data in the descending order. So Rajesh number first, and then till smallest number. Okay, so we'll click here, we'll say sort largest to smallest. Okay, so now our primary data has arranged from largest number to smallest number. So we'll take total also of this number. So for total we use sum, So is 400. Okay. Now we'll see how to calculate cumulative number from that. So cumulative number for first row is equal to 150. So for this cumulative number you have to write is equal to and this cell. For next is equal to, so you need to select this cell as a 150 plus you need to select this cell, so it is 250. Same for third is equal to 250 plus this cell, so is a 320. So now you can drag also, so you can see 400 and 400. So this total you have to match, so 400 and 400. So we are absolutely calculate the cumulative number. So I'm just drawing here as a table, arranging at center. Okay, well done. Now we are calculating the cumulative percentage. So how to calculate cumulative percentage? So is equal to 150 divided by 400 into 100. Again is equal to 250 divided by 400 into 100. Again next 320 divided by 400 into 100. So same. So I am doing same for every cell. Okay. So we have calculated the cumulative percentage as well. So we'll draw table. We arrange the percentage number in center. So we'll draw some. Okay. Okay. Good to go. Now we'll see how to create graphs from this number. I hope you are clear till cumulative percentage. Okay. So we have to select full table, into go to insert, into column, and you have to select first 2D column. So we'll just zoom this. Okay. So we do not require cumulative. So we'll delete this cumulative number. We'll delete this graph as well. So we only require counts of defects and cumulative percentage. So here are two numbers. This blue is a counts of defects, or we can say as a frequency of defects, and this cumulative percentage. So we need to convert this cumulative percentage in another way, or in line graph. So for that you need to select this. You need to change series type, then line, and then you have to select this line with markers. Okay, so we have a line graph as well. So here you can add percentage to each and every cell. So for that you need to select this, then layout, so data labels above. So okay, so now we have selected all the dots. Now we can add one more, and then above. Okay, so now we have all percentage showing here. So you can see 3.75, 62.5, 80, 90, 95, 97.5 and 100. Same we can also do for here, for this graph as well. So here our frequency or defects number 150, 100, 70, 40, 20, 10 and 10. Okay, so now this graph shows first three defects contribute to 80% problems of our company. So 80% quality defects are due to these three defects: defects 1, 2 and 5. So for that you can insert one line as well to show, or you can add box as well. So we'll just add transparency here, no fill, and we'll add some weight to the. Okay, good. Now we'll just add text. So 80%. And is it 20%. Now you can able to understand. Out of 7 defects, the 3 defects falls in 80% of category. So because of three defects, we are getting more rejection in our company. So we need to review and we need to analyze these 3 defects more to streamline our quality, or to reduce our to improve our quality percentage, to improve ppm, okay. Now we are done. So this is our Pareto chart. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope now you can create Pareto chart in Excel. If you like this video, please press that like button, and also share this video with your team members, family, friends, engineering friends, all freshers, so they can also create the chart in Excel. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So chalo, bye bye guys, bye bye. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.